It's no joke that in winter your consumption goes up and getting through the months is a little bit harder than the summertime. That's why Powershop is giving you plenty of opportunities this winter to save money and give those pricey winter power bills the cold shoulder. Hi, I'm Monique and I'm here to help you get through winter with our handy tips on how to get the most out of Powershop. First, head to the shop, which is available via our desktop site or mobile app, and there you'll find a bunch of power packs available for everyone's budget. Our Simple Saver is available from the 1st of each month and gives you about a week to 10 days worth of power. It also offers the biggest discount of all our power packs. Not only that, the longer you've been with Powershop, the higher your Simple Saver discount. It's our way of saying thanks for being a loyal Powershop customer. We're also adding the Winter Saver Pack. This will give you a few extra days of discounted power. This will hit your shop in the middle of every month throughout winter, and you'll have until the end of the month to snap it up. Throughout the winter months, you'll also notice a few random specials pop into the shop as well. These will only be in the shop for a couple of days, so download our mobile app or follow us on Facebook so you can get notified about when a special hits the shop. You'll also find our value packs in the shop all the time, and they come in a range of different sizes, so you can cover any usage at any time and still get a discount. If you've been a Powershop customer for a little while now, you may have noticed that our value packs have had a bit of a facelift. We've also added 2 new packs to the store, so you can find a pack for any budget. Another great way to save money is to bring your mates on board.
For every friend that you successfully switch into Powershop, not only will they score some handy power credit to help make winter that little bit easier, you will too.
If you're feeling lucky, this winter we've got plenty of opportunities for you to win power credits and other great prizes. To find out more about what's up for grabs, it's a good idea to keep up to date with our emails and follow our social media channels so you don't miss out. We've also got a few tricks up our sleeve, so keep your eyes peeled for more discounts and opportunities to win over winter. So there you have it, just a few tips on how you can get the most out of Powershop over the colder months. Just one of the ways Powershop puts the power back in your hands so you can chill out this winter.